Again.
Am I in your way? You might want to move over a little bit.
Hey, are you giving me directions on how to do my
Oh,
job?
I'm sorry. I got a weed. That could be part of the problem. Oh, don't do this at home, kids. You should never reach for the propeller while it's on. Alright. I think it's having trouble getting on plane, so I'm going to give it a toss. Oh, here comes the cops, too. Film the cops, too, honey.
What are they doing?
I'm going to try to see, just for a second. He's checking my plate. Did you see that, honey? My boot went over. Oh no, I got too excited.
Wet legs and boots.
More like wet foot. Scoot over, honey. You're getting in my way.
You're getting in my way.
I'm getting in your way.
You're getting in my way. You keep driving that boat where I can't see it.
It looks like a jet pump when I'm going slow, right?
Yeah, it's cool.
Well, I don't know
Again.
about that, but I'm going to give it a toss again. Oh, there's massive weeds over here. I blame the fishermen again. Because all the weeds are getting on everything.
That's right. We always blame the fishermen, don't we, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might see my butt.
Nah, I'm looking at your boots.
Oh, I don't care if you see my butt.
And your boats.
Let's go. Let's see if
Your
we can
boats and your boots. Boats, boots.
Did you get that?
I don't know. I
submarined
just
it.
stepped over to try to get around you, so I don't know if I got it.
We submarined it.
Did we? I was paying attention to
That was hilarious.
camera work here. I hope I got it.
Yeah, I got in the weeds again. Why is there so many weeds now? Oh, because it's summertime. Ready to try it again? You just
Yeah.
have to give it a little toss.
One more. Go, go, go. It's a jet boat. It's supposed to be like a jet boat, honey. It's a no boat.
Oh, I think I got weeds. Yeah, I got weeds.
Good enough, babe.
Yeah, we got good. How much video did you get?
I don't know. 2, 3.
It's good enough. I want to run more.
Well, run more then. Oh, mercy.
Honey, try walk out on the dock. I dare you. Leave it recording though. I'm gonna walk
Why?
over with you.
Wait.
What?
Wait.
See if there's less weeds over
Wait. Okay, baby. Now you want me to walk and chew gum, film and go on the dock? Goodness. This is a test of balance. It's nice. It's okay, babe. Oh, look at that. Honey.
Is there less weeds? No, there's still weeds everywhere.
I don't know. There's a bucket of worms.
It must have got too high and left it.
How far am I going? All the way?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's weeds there. Yeah, walk in the center.
Whoa. Whoa.
At least your boot's not full of water. It's really gross.
I don't have boots. I got Morty's. See, I got Morty's on.
Well, if I knew I was going to get so wet, I would have did with Morty's myself. Are you still recording, honey?
Yeah, that was the directives I was given.
It's slick on this dock. It's still pretty slick. Yeah, there's no weeds on it here as I can see.
Thank God. They say it's my birthday. Na 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 na.
What do you think, honey?
I love it.
Successful build?
Yeah, so good. Everybody needs a Know Boat.
And it's not no N-O boat, it's K-N-O-W. Oh.
Are you sure?
We got a glitch.
No, uh-oh.
Next time we should probably quit.
All right.
Well, no, we're not going to though. We should quit, but I'm not going to. I want to try to get it on plane. But I'm not going to be able to. Oh, there's more weeds.
Don't fall in, baby.
Why not? We should feel this water. It's so warm.
Really?
Oh yeah, it's totally warm. Ready? Did you see that?
I did.
That was pretty cool. Let's try it one more time.
I'm sorry you don't like doing this. You hate boating. It's terrible, isn't it? Like punishment.
Do we have any weeds?
I don't know.
No. It's really hard to throw this because it's so big and fat and heavy. Oh, let's try it again. Ready?
What the?
Oh, that's not a good sign.
That doesn't sound right.
I
Might want
think
to
there's
look at
too
that
much
before you throw it back
water
in.
Inside of it.
Oh yeah, that'll happen, huh?
I don't know.
Oh. You're gonna have to get.
Oh, I bet it just means the batteries are low.
Oh, be careful. You'll have to get the rowboat out.
Oh, I'm done. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Done.
Dun,
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Done.
That's all, folks.